This video goes through simplifying algebraic fractions. So in both of these examples we're going to have to factorise, so I'm going to cover that at the same time. So first one, 20x plus 30y, we have to think what goes into both 20x and 30y, and that's 10. So it's always good for these kind of things to know your times tables. If you don't, you're going to struggle. So we've got 10, but I want 20x. So 10 times 2 is 20, and then I have the x. Plus 10 times what is 30? 3, and we need the y. All over 5x and negative 5y. Common factor would be 5. So we've got 5 bracket. 5 times what is 5x? It's x. 5 times what is negative 5y? So we need the minus, and we have the y. From there, I can simplify by looking at the 10 and the 5. 5 into 10 goes twice, 5 into 5 goes once. So my answer is 2 bracket 2x plus 3y all over x minus y. Now the next one, we have 4 terms at the top, so we're going to have to group here. So off to the side, I'm going to write my 3a plus 6b plus ac plus 2bc. And normally you can group them 2 and 2. So to start with, just look at those two. And then you look at those two terms. And we're going to factorise each of them. So to start with, 3a plus 6b, common factor would be 3. 3 goes into both 3a and 6b. So we've got 3 bracket, 3 times what is 3a? It's a, plus 3 times what is 6b? So 3 times 2 is 6, and we need the b. Move along, we have AC plus 2BC. The only thing common in both of that is C. So we go plus C, bracket, C times what is AC? That's A, plus, I've already got the C, I need 2BC. So we need to put the 2B there. So what you should see now is we have brackets, that are the same. There's A plus 2B. So I can bring it out the front. I can bring that bracket out as a factor. So that's going to equal, I put the A plus 2B out the front, and I then have I've got 3 lots of A plus 2B, so I need the 3. I've got C times A plus 2B, so I need the C. So that's factorised. Then look at the denominator, negative 6 minus 2c. There's minus in both of those, so I'm going to bring a minus out, and 2 goes into both 2 and 6. So I can bring negative 2. Negative 2 times what gives me negative 6? It's 3. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Negative 2 times what gives me negative 2c? Well, I've already got the negative, so I need a plus. Already got the 2, but I need the c. So now I come back to my fraction, and I write in the top, I've got a plus 2b, 3 plus c, so that's my numerator, all over my denominator, which was a negative 2, bracket 3 plus c. And now what you should see is that these two brackets are the same, so they go into each other once. So I'm then left with a plus 2b all over negative 2. Now instead of putting the negative 2 down the bottom, I'm going to put it 2 there and put that minus out the front.